As fuel prices soar, United Airlines CEO warned that fuel prices could rise as high as $175 per barrel and remain elevated through 2027. In response, the airline plans to temporarily cut about 5% of its scheduled flights, including reducing off-peak service and suspending some international routes. Yet it's still pouring energy into fleet expansion and premium customer experience. But before we get to that, we have to talk about it reaching a tentative agreement with the Association of Flight Attendants, covering about 30,000 flight attendants. If approved, the contract would deliver major improvements in pay and working conditions. It includes immediate raises and wage increases that would eventually reach up to $100 per hour, positioning United's flight attendants as the highest paid in the industry. Additional compensation elements include pay for boarding time, compensation for long gaps between flights, and a large signing bonus package totaling $740 million. The agreement must first be approved by union leadership and then ratified by flight attendants. If finalized, it would remain in effect for 5 years. Another long-haul effort underway is United's increasing focus on premium offerings as a key revenue driver. Financial results show premium revenue growing significantly faster than overall revenue, confirming that higher-end seating and services are central to profitability. A notable innovation is the Relax Row, a new seating concept that converts a row of 3 economy seats into a lie-flat, bed-like space. Designed for families, couples, or travelers wanting more room, it includes a mattress pad, blankets, pillows, and child-friendly extras. The product will be introduced in 2027 and expanded across more than 200 wide-body aircraft by 2030. This concept is similar to offerings from some international airlines, but is new to North America, giving United a temporary competitive advantage. Pricing has not been announced, but it is expected to sit between economy and premium economy, potentially offering strong value for travelers who would otherwise book multiple seats. Then, to spread its wings even more, a massive fleet expansion and modernization is set to add more than 250 aircraft by 2028. This includes Boeing 787 Dreamliners, Boeing 737 MAX jets, and Airbus A321 variants. The goal is to modernize the fleet, improve efficiency, and expand premium seating options. The A321neo Coastliner is a redesigned narrow-body aircraft for transcontinental U.S. routes, featuring lie-flat Polaris business-class seats, premium economy seating, and upgraded economy cabins. Whereas the A321XLR is a long-range narrow-body aircraft capable of serving international routes with enhanced premium seating and modern cabin features. The 7879, on the other hand, serves as United's most premium international aircraft, featuring upgraded Polaris suites with privacy doors, larger seats, high-end dining, and large 4K screens. For regional flights, there's CRJ 450, a redesigned regional aircraft with a more spacious, premium feel, including a first-class cabin designed to resemble a private jet experience. This expansion builds on United's earlier United Next strategy, which has already added hundreds of aircraft, increased premium seating capacity, and modernized much of its fleet. By 2028, United expects to offer significantly more lie-flat seats than competitors. Then, to improve the passenger experience across all cabin classes, connectivity is key, meaning free Starlink Wi-Fi for Mileage Plus members, which is being rolled out across the fleet. It builds on the move to seat-back screens for all passengers, with a large content library from major entertainment providers. For amenities, resources will go into things like upgraded blankets, earbuds, and larger overhead bins. For food, a new partnership with Chef's Table will introduce curated meals from world-renowned chefs in business class, emphasizing restaurant quality in-flight dining. Additionally, United is introducing a tiered fare structure in premium cabins base, standard, and flexible, allowing travelers to customize their experience based on price, flexibility, and included perks like seat selection, baggage, and lounge access. In terms of digitization efforts, tools like app features for navigation, boarding alerts, baggage tracking, and real-time updates are coming online quickly. So it's clear United's investments are driven by a clear shift toward premium travel. Premium seats accounted for 12% of total seats in 2025, and the airline continues to expand that share. By offering more high-end options, such as Polaris Business Class, Premium Plus, and now Relax Row, United aims to capture higher-margin customers and build brand loyalty.